We are still doing the Wannabe Lean Challenge for January. Last week we did meal prepping. I showed you all my meal prepping tips and shared a bunch of my favorite healthy recipes for weight loss. And today I'm going to show you all my favorite healthy drink recipes. These drinks also help promote weight loss and my favorite, cleansing. I've got 5 drinks here that I'm going to show you how to prepare a bunch of drinks at the beginning of the week. Just like we do meal prepping, I really think that if you can take a little time to do drink prepping, it just makes it so much more fun when you have a fun, healthy drink ready to go throughout the week. So here are all my favorite drinks. I'm going to quickly show you step by step how to make each one of these drinks. Anyone can make them. You just need a few simple ingredients and you can make them from home. My first favorite is the lemon apple cider vinegar drink. I use the Bragg's organic raw unfiltered apple cider vinegar with the mother. It's very important that you get the kind that's organic and with the mother. So do you like the sour drink?
Yeah.
Owen likes it. He calls it the sour drink. This one is the one that Daddy makes. It's so yummy, huh? So it's just apple cider vinegar, some fresh squeezed lemon, some lime powder, stevia, and water. We got our matcha drinks. This is a beet one, and this is just the basic matcha. Organic evolution. You want to taste it? You just blend it up in a blender, and I added a little bit of stevia. You want to taste it?
Yeah.
Is it good?
Yeah.
That is good.
Yeah, I like it.
It gives me a nice boost of energy, and I just like it. I love you, Owen. Next drink is kombucha. Owen likes kombucha. I talk about kombucha a lot, you guys. I've got like 4 videos about kombucha already, and I have a whole blog post teaching you how to make your own kombucha. It's really simple. I will put the link to my kombucha recipe in the description of this video, so you can make your own kombucha. It's very simple. In my kombucha, I like to add a little bit of the isogenics E+Shots. I love these. This gives me a nice boost of energy. It's real caffeine. So this is a plant-based caffeine from green tea and yerba mate. No artificial colors, flavors, or sweeteners. 35 calories per serving. So these are my favorite. I have one of these every morning first thing when I wake up. Gives me a nice little boost of energy to wake me up and get me going for the day. So I've had one of these every day for the last, I'd say 3 years, and I love them. Dandy blend. I love dandy blend. I did a blog post about. You like it too. I did a blog post about all the different ways you can flavor the dandy blend and make fun, healthy drinks. This is like a coffee substitute. A lot of people who are trying to quit coffee use this dandy blend. It's an alternative to coffee. It has kind of like a slight coffee flavor without the coffee or caffeine. It's nice. You can drink it hot or cold. So I like to flavor these dandy blends. All you need is a little bit of water, some dandy blend powder, and some stevia. I like to use the Sweet Leaf Sweet Drops stevia because they have lots of fun flavors like caramel and chocolate. So they also have a pumpkin spice. With this dandy blend, you can always add a little bit of almond milk too. And last but not least, this is one of my favorites. This is an amazing cleansing, detoxifying drink. It's made with Yerba Mate, Isogenic Cleanse for Life. This is what I use when I'm doing my full-on cleansing days, but you can also drink this daily. Cleanse for Life nourishes your body with antioxidants and plant botanicals that support your own detoxification systems. Cleanse for Life is a fundamental component during cleanse days to support metabolism, weight loss, and maintenance when used as a part of the isogenic system. It's made with Cleanse for Life, Yerba Mate, fresh squeezed lemon juice, and some chia seeds and a little bit of stevia. And there you have it. I've made a whole bunch of all of these drinks. I'm going to put them in my refrigerator now so that I have lots of healthy drink options throughout this week. And anytime I'm craving a Diet Coke or something that's not healthy for me, I'll just go and grab one of my healthy drinks from my refrigerator. So I have an extra refrigerator in my garage, and this is where I put all of my drinks. And this is the mess that I'm left with after doing all my drink prep. I will be sure to link all the ingredients to these drinks to the description of this video. So if you're looking for any of these products that I use, you can always find the links in the description of this video. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for weekly videos on healthy lifestyle living and trying to find balance and purpose in motherhood. Thank you for being in my video.
You're welcome. I want to taste this everything.
Okay, you want to taste it?
It's going to taste so yummy.
So yummy, huh?